Then came the moment that changed everything. A father turned to his son. He opened his mouth to speak. The words that emerged were strange, foreign. The boy stared back, uncomprehending.
In that instant, the unity shattered. Confusion swept through the construction. Worker called to worker, but heard only gibberish. The coordinated symphony of labor dissolved into cacophony.
If these Bible stories have blessed your family, please consider joining our Patreon. Your support keeps every episode completely ad-free, unlocks exclusive behind-the-scenes content, and helps us create many more stories to share God's Word with families everywhere. Thank you for partnering with us in this ministry. Your generosity and prayerful support truly means the world.